made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you are in need of motivation and inspiration to get things done. Today we're just doing a little home reset, a restock, cleaning the upstairs of my house because there is still decor lingering, laundry everywhere, there's food to put away, and there is just a lot of things to get done today. I also want to decant some items as well, just to make my life easier, not for aesthetics, just so I can see when we actually run out of things. I'm also going to swap the cereal containers because my kids change their mind what cereals they like. So I actually did this the day after because I cannot get everything done in a day. So this is done over a matter of 2 days. But I just wanted to put it all together for you guys so it makes sense. So I am just still trying to reset my home after Christmas. This is like a New Year reset and I just want to get everything done, get everything set up. I'm just trying to make my life easier. I'm also going to try and get a little bit organised and label a few things that I've been meaning to label for a while.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level. That's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for.
I had this little label maker off Amazon. It's very cheap, but it gets the job done. So I'm just going to label a few things, and I've also switched out Hope's to-do list. I had this off Temu, and I think this is really going to help her with sticking to a routine. I've even put her some little chores on there. How cute. And I've also done my meal plan for the week as well because this helps me stick to a routine. Okay, breathe. That felt like it took forever to put the shopping away. There's still quite a few things that are out. This might be like a 2-day life reset because this is going to take a while. But the food's here, it's been delivered. Also, Nacho's food is here, that's been delivered. It really saves me so much time rather than driving around and picking things up to have things delivered to my doorstep. His food, he's still on catkin. I don't know whether you're new here or if you remember 3 months ago I swapped my lovely ginger cat Nacho, who is the fussiest cat in the world I may add, over to catkin, which if you don't know who they are, they make 100% real meat. It's vet formulated with all the nutrients that your cats need. It's also made fresh daily and served straight from your fridge, and as you can see here where Nacho is completely ignoring his dried food and he's waiting for the main course. He's still a fussy cat, but he does eat all of his catkin and that's why I've stuck with them. In nearly 4 months now that he's been on it, and he has been fantastic. He's been like a different cat. I'm really glad that I switched him over. But let me just remind you of what he was like before, because he was a pain in the backside, an absolute pain. So he was on dried food and wet food, and he would turn his nose up to everything that I put in front of him. It was really frustrating trying to get him to eat, and he would just, if he did like something, he would eat the jelly from around the outside of like the wet pouches and leave the chunks. Would just sit there in his bowl. It would stink out the kitchen. I'd end up scraping it in the bin, and then you've got to change the bin because it stinks, and it was just a waste of food. I ended up giving food away. When I thought he would like a certain food, he would just change his mind. I don't want to go into too much detail, but his litter box habits were just ridiculous. Switched him over. Hasn't had any really nasty incidents in the litter box, and he's been honestly a different cat. He's more loving, he's just more playful, he sheds less, he stinks less, and he's eating, most importantly for me, and he's getting enough nutrients. That's why I've stuck with catkin. I just thought I'd update you guys. Then His Royal Highness decided to grace us with his presence, but you couldn't hear me because he was on the mic, and despite his grumpy post-nap face he's quite a happy chappy. So down then. He's going to try and knock the tripod over now. But yeah, if you guys want to try it for your cats, then I do have a discount code for you guys from Catkin, and it is Nacho50. That will get you 50% off a trial. Excuse me, he doesn't normally jump on the sides. Excuse me, you haven't done that for ages, mister. It's like, just give me my food, mom. Nacho completely threw me jumping up on the side there. But if you guys want to give Catkin a go, then I have a special code for you guys, which is Nacho50, and that will get you 50% off a trial box. You don't have to sign up for the whole subscription or commit to anything. You can just try a trial box for half price and see if your cats like it. I guarantee that they will, because Nacho really is the toughest customer to please, and he's happy with them. I know there's a lot of different choices out there of cat foods, but Catkin really is everything that they need and nothing that they don't. So I'll leave a link to Catkin in the description box and in the comment section, and there will also be a QR code. Now we are moving on to day 2, and this is where I am trying to tackle the upstairs of my home. You can see there's Christmas boxes everywhere, toys. Hope made a little fort in her bedroom, and yeah, it's a mess. So I am going to tidy this up. So if you're in need of cleaning motivation, you're definitely in the right place. Grab your cleaning stuff and clean along with me. You can see my face, I'm so annoyed. Or grab a cuppa and some snacks and enjoy. I love her little curtain ties. These were just off Amazon, and it's so pretty. So I am just going to run around. I've got like 2 layers of tops on. I didn't realise all my rolls were out, I'm sorry. And there is blue tack everywhere because Hope, she just loves blue tack. She actually put it on her Christmas list. I think the kids like all obsess over it at school because they're not meant to have it. But yeah, anyway, I'm rambling about blue tack.
Lying next to you.
How cute is this blanket? It's a capybara one. I need to stitch that up. Turns into a bag.
Something brand new. And I haven't seen you in years. But I know you. Oh, I really missed you. No one ever saw. No one ever saw the way that you look now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
How cute is her little mirror? Oh, I love it. That is so much better, just to get all the sides clean, get all the little bits of everything out of her boxes and stuff. Then we're moving on to the hallway. That was my middle son, Riley, bless him, helping me. Well, actually, I helped him because he could have carried that on his own. Hope's little play kitchen. He's just putting it in his room for now, just so we can actually hoover and get to the floor on the hallway. As you can see, I never finished. Oh, look at Nacho. So funny. He'd got inside Hope's kitchen and Riley was playing with him and just putting his paw out. I had to leave that in. I don't even know where to begin. Everything is just everywhere, but this is what happens when I focus on just the downstairs. So I just wanted to get to the carpet, hoover everywhere, make sure everywhere's done and, you know, just clean and clear. Give the bathroom a quick once over. Nothing perfect, just get it done.
I got a whole lot of problems, but they're always about you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them.
No idea why there's 3 toilet rolls there. I mean, why do my teenagers need 3 toilet rolls? Like, just use one and then open another one. No idea. This stuff is an absolute godsend as well. I'm not sure which one of you guys recommended it because it was a long time ago now, but if you do have any limescale in your toilets, it is very good at removing it. Just going to now spray everywhere. Look, we've got clean towels all folded and ready for the 100 showers that my teenagers have a week. And yeah, this is the bathroom. I still have no mirror for it as well. I will get round to that, but everywhere's a little bit cleaner than it was. Not perfect, but it's okay. I'm just going to spray some of this room freshener. I just make this myself with fabric softener and water. Oh, and a little few bloopers for you guys because I thought they were cute.
Little baby. That will do. Yeah. I can crack your back.
So that's it for our life reset video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I could help inspire and motivate you guys to get done whatever you needed to today. I am still on a mission to sort my life out this year, so if you are wanting to do the same, then don't forget to subscribe and stick around for more content like this. Don't forget to give Catkin a try if you want to. I will leave the links to them in the description and in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.